Gareth Bale, the former Real Madrid and Wales football star, has led a consortium in making a £40 million bid to purchase Cardiff City. The club, recently relegated to League One, is currently owned by Malaysian billionaire Vincent Tan, who has invested over £200 million in the team. Despite Bale's public enthusiasm and personal connection to the club, Tan has already indicated reluctancy to sell to him and his US-backed partners, viewing the offer as significantly undervaluing the club. Now 35, Bale recently expressed his aspirations to acquire and revitalise Cardiff, calling it a dream come true and emphasising his desire to return the club to the Premier League. His involvement is personal, having been born in Cardiff and with a strong family tie to the club. His uncle Chris Pike played for Cardiff in the early 90s. Bale has made a clear vision that the club go forward beyond ownership. He wants to build a sustainable future with investments in youth development and infrastructure, reflecting his commitment to the local community. The initial offer is considered insufficient, given Tan's significant financial commitment to the club. However, the submission of the bid demonstrates the group's determination to pursue the acquisition. In addition to Bale, fellow Welsh international Aaron Ramsey has expressed his support for the project. Ramsey, known for his Premier League and international experience, his backing adds further credibility to the consortium and emphasising a united Welsh effort to revive Cardiff City. Bale's proposal aligns with a broader trend of former football stars investing in clubs, following in the footsteps of figures like Ryan Reynolds and Tom Brady. While the outcome of Bale's bid remains uncertain, it underscores his deep-rooted connection to Cardiff City and his ambition to contribute to its future success. This move also reflects how retired athletes are increasingly leveraging their fame and resources to influence football's business side.